The INKTHRIX 3132XL ink bottle set offers a generous mix of pigment black and dye color inks tailored for a wide range of HP Smart Tank and Ink Tank printers, making it a flexible choice for multi-device homes or offices. Its very high page yield from the multiple black and color bottles means you can handle large volumes of everyday documents and photos without constantly thinking about replacements. The bottles use a well-engineered, self-closing tip that helps prevent spills and drips, so refilling tanks stays clean and straightforward even if you are not very experienced. Text output from the pigment black ink looks crisp and professional on standard office paper, which is ideal for reports, schoolwork, and business correspondence. Color prints from the dye-based bottles appear vibrant and rich, giving photos and graphics a pleasing depth that rivals many original manufacturer inks. Considering the long-lasting capacity, clean handling, and reliable print quality, this set feels like a practical upgrade for anyone who prints frequently on HP Smart Tank systems.